मंगळारा राती IRBच्या ज्या PSIच्या बायलेकडल्यान चुकून पिस्तोलांतल्यान गुळी सुटली त्या IRB PSIचेर FIR रजिस्टर केला। या प्रकरणाची चौकशी करून ते PSIच्या वरिष्ठांक अहवाल धाडटले अशें उतर गोंय पुलीस अधीक्षक नितीन वाल्सन हांणी सांगले। PSIन घरा व्हेल्ले पिस्तूल नितळ करतना वा ते हातात घेवन पळयतना ही घडणूक घडली अशी शक्यताय आसा अशें नितीन वाल्सन हांणी सांगले।
लेडी उनके हाथ से वो गोली निकला है। सो द पुलिस ऑफिसर हैड टेकन द पिस्टल to his house, and after that the lady was actually, the wife was, it was told, either she was cleaning or she was curious to know about that weapon, and in which this incident happened. So we have already registered an FIR in this case and investigation is taken up. We are making a report and sending this report to his competent authority as well.
तो बाकी स्टाफ के लिए कुछ सर्कुलर इशू होगा इसके ऊपर?
Already we have set rules and procedures, and all the staff in the general course as well as during repeated training, we train all the officers regarding the safe guidelines and procedures which has to be followed as far as weapons are concerned.